The new 2024 Ford F-150 STX. Oh yeah, Oxford white with black accents. We got the blacked out grille, 2.7 liter EcoBoost underneath the hood, 25 miles per gallon highway. Also, we got blacked out 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Goodyear Wranglers. The top is black, the rest is white. We go inside, we've got premium cloth, big, huge console. We got connectivity, more USB hubs here, also 12 volts of power, our climate controls, and also our controls here for that big, huge screen. Look at all of that navigation and a full digital cockpit. Oh yeah, plenty of leg room throughout. Also, yes, we've got a bench seat in the back, total seating for 5. Whole lots of leg room and cargo room. Now, we've got our USB hubs here, also 12 volts of power, rear air, and look at all this cargo room inside. Oh yeah. Now in the back, we've got several tie downs back here, and of course we have some also little accessory boxes here to keep some things out of the weather and keep it dry, and we're ready for a trailer with a new 2024 Ford STX F-150 right here at Payne Rio Grande City Ford. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.